If you're looking to make free modules on LearnWorlds, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll walk you through exactly how to create free modules on LearnWorlds, step by step. Stay tuned till the end because I'll not only show you how to use LearnWorlds for this, but I'll also share some incredible alternatives that might be a better fit for your needs. First things first, let's talk about the basics of LearnWorlds. It's a powerful platform that allows creators to build courses, manage students, and more. But when it comes to creating free modules, it's important to understand how to structure your content for maximum engagement. Now, the first thing you need to do is log into your LearnWorlds dashboard. Once you're in, head to the Courses tab on the left-hand menu. Here, you'll click on Create a New Course. This is where you'll start building your module. For free modules, you can create a course without assigning any pricing or limits, making it freely available to your users. Next thing, let's dive into adding the actual content. Once you've created your course, you'll be prompted to add modules and lessons. Click on the Add Module button to start. You can name your module something relevant to your content, like Introduction to your topic. Now, it's important to keep things engaging and organized, so ensure that each module covers a specific aspect of your subject. After you've added your module, the next thing is to add lessons. You'll click Add Lesson, where you can upload videos, PDFs, quizzes, and even link to external content. This is where your course really starts to take shape. Don't forget to use the Settings tab to make sure your lessons are accessible for free by unchecking any pricing options. The fourth thing is customization. LearnWorlds offers a lot of flexibility here. You can personalize your free module with a custom logo, change the color theme, and set up your page layout. The interface is fairly user-friendly, but it can be a bit overwhelming if you're new to course creation. Once your module is set up and your lessons are in place, the next thing is to publish and share. But here's a tip. Before you publish, review everything, especially the accessibility settings. You want to make sure that your free module is set to public so everyone can access it. This is crucial for making sure your audience can benefit from your free content. Now, while LearnWorlds is great for creating modules, it's not perfect. Some users find the platform can be a bit complicated for beginners, especially when it comes to customization and making free courses. The free trial is limited in terms of functionality, so you may find yourself needing to upgrade sooner than expected. This brings me to something worth considering. There are other platforms out there that can actually be better suited for your needs when it comes to creating free courses. These alternatives offer more user-friendly experiences and better support for free content creation. I'll dive into those in a moment, but first, let me wrap up LearnWorlds. If LearnWorlds still seems like a good fit for you, here's the good news. Through the link in the description, you'll get an exclusive and extended free trial that isn't available anywhere else. This will give you more time to explore the platform's features without jumping into a paid plan. But before you make any decisions, let me share some amazing alternatives. These platforms are better equipped for building free modules with more streamlined interfaces and flexible features. They also offer free trials so you can try them out before committing. So, if you're serious about creating amazing free courses, check out the links in the description to get the best free trial and exclusive benefits available only to our viewers. Make sure to explore your options because the best course building platform might not be the one you expect.